They said we couldn't win. Farmers against an empire, tradesmen against the greatest army on earth. But we didn't fight for glory. We fought for something that didn't exist yet, a nation. Your nation. We bled in this snow so that you could be free.
7 years later, we nearly lost it all. Brother against brother. But we held. We bled.
And now, 250 years later, you want to know if it was all worth it? Some guy named Pat Hickey is about to show you exactly what you did with it.
Henry Ford put America on wheels. That mission continues today at Peoria Ford. Peoria Ford presents America 250 with Pat Hickey. What if one man could witness every moment that made America? The Revolution, the Civil War, the moon landing, disco. Every triumph, every struggle, every chapter of our story. Meet Pat Hickey, managing partner of Peoria Ford, and the guy who somehow photobombed 250 years of American history. Peoria Ford presents America 250 with Pat Hickey. A new moment in history every single day starting January 1st. You might just learn something.